Hello there, and thank you for interesting in this beautiful 2013 Can-Am SPYDER. It's in absolutely perfect condition. Has the aquaponic exhaust on it, which looks just awesome. The tires are like brand new. Has a backrest for a passenger. It is a semi-automatic, so you press plus and minus to switch gears. I'm gonna send you all the details regarding this Can-Am. I have another one. This is a 2016 Can-Am SPYDER. So I have both available. If you have any questions, please call me back at 905-660-2901, extension 212. Thank you.